lupa di subscribe ya channel Arif Ajib, gratis. Assalamualaikum, selamat siang Bapak Ibu.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never.
Biar kadar oksigen yang ada di kolam ini tetap segar, jadi ikannya tidak pada mabuk, kan? Segar, jernih, tanpa saya kuras. Tanpa saya kuras, airnya tetap berganti. Ketika air tandon habis, diisi sama mesin naik ke atas, lalu disalurkan ke sini. Di sini kita atur saja untuk airnya. Pengaturan airnya kita sesuaikan. Jangan sampai air kolam depan rumah kita ini lewat lah. Kita ada settingannya. Untuk pengaturan air saya gunakan ini Bapak Ibu. Di setting di sini saja. Ketika kita membutuhkan air yang besar, tinggal diperbesar, dibuka saja. Kita putar, pasti akan airnya tambah besar. Kita buktikan. Ini saya besarkan airnya Bapak Ibu. Airnya besar, mengalir sangat kencang. Kita atur saja. Kalau dengan kapasitas air yang terlalu besar, air kolam akan penuh, akan melimpah. Tinggal kita setting sesuai kebutuhan air. Nah, saya di sini sengaja menggunakan air sumur langsung mengalir tanpa saya tutup. Jadi kita tidak perlu kuras. Sini kita setting Bapak Ibu, bisa kita atur sesuai kebutuhan. Tidak perlu susah-susah. Ketika air penuh, kita setting di sini. Saya menggunakan kecil sesuai kebutuhan air kolam saya. Nah, di sini dah sumbernya tandon yang saya gunakan. Ini sumber airnya. Saya menggunakan mesin air yang ditaruh di dalam. Di dalam Bapak Ibu. Ini kapasitasnya untuk mengisi air itu sangat cepat sekali. Nah, sekarang saya lihat, saya hidupkan airnya, sangat deras. Jadi karena saya menggunakan mesin yang di dalam sumur, jadi tidak kedengaran suara mesinnya. Untuk mengisi tandon sebesar ini sangat cepat, yang ukuran 550 liter, dan mesinnya di dalam tidak ada suara. Saya menggunakan ini Bapak Ibu, tapi bisa kita menggunakan alat yang sederhana saja. Ini airnya sangat cepat untuk mengisi, luar biasa, sangat deras Bapak Ibu untuk mengisi tandon, sangat cepat, dan suara mesinnya tidak ada, sangat kecil karena mesinnya yang kita menggunakan mesin air yang di dalam sumur. Bapak Ibu, kita juga tidak perlu menggunakan mesin yang terlalu besar. Cukup dengan mesin air biasa. Kita taruhkan otomatis. Ketika air tandon penuh, langsung mati sendiri. Sederhana saja Ibu, Saudara atau Bapak Ibu. Letak tempat indahnya itu ketika kita duduk merenung, bisalah kita berinteraksi dengan ikan. Saya contohkan saja, ini hal yang tidak bisa dinilai dengan uang. Ketika kita kasih ikan makan. Ketika ada sisa-sisa makanan yang tidak dimakan atau yang udah kadar dewasa, kita kasih saja ke ikan. Jadi tidak ada yang mubazir. Contohnya seperti ini Bapak Ibu. Ini contohkan saja, saya kasih ya, isi ikan saya makan ya luar biasa Bapak Ibu. Inilah letak serunya, membuat pikiran tenang, membuat hati tenang ya. Makan ikannya. Saya juga di sini lepas lele sama ikan nila juga. Saya campur. Memang sih awalnya saya lepas lele, awalnya ikan nila saya habis mati, tapi karena udah saking lamanya hidup bersama, kerukunan kerukunan
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, seen it right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, seen it right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, seen it right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me?
ya, serasa kayak di Narmada. Walaupun rumah saya gersang dan berantakan, aduh, kabur. Kita kasih lagi. Ini makan jajan. Ini enceng gondok Saya taruh ini fungsinya untuk menyerap kotoran atau debu-debu kotoran yang ada di air ini. Sengaja saya taruhkan, dan ikan lele sangat senang makan ini. Jika ada yang mau berminat minta enceng gondok saya, enceng gondok atau apa namanya, silahkan hubungi saya, bisa juga. Ya, kita kasih makan lagi ikannya. Ya, lapar sekali ikannya. Aduh, diambil deh. Ini juga sebelahnya, di sini ada jembatan. Kadang ikannya berpindah ke sini. Ya, Ibu. Ikannya berpindah di sini. Cuma tadi pindah ke sana semuanya. Sini sengaja saya buatkan lubang biar ada ikan berpindah. Ketika diserang, ikannya kabur ke sini. Tempat ngungsi. Kita lanjut saja. Ya, ini tadi air yang saya gunakan, air sumur. Ketika airnya habis, nanti secara otomatis air tandurnya akan penuh. Jadi saya tidak pernah mengurasnya. Ikannya segar-segar. Kita kasih makan lagi. Ya, kasih. Ikannya makan lagi. Ya. Ikannya makan lagi. Enak adanya ikannya. Kok tangan saya dimakan? Kabur deh. Inilah keseruannya, Bapak Ibu. Tidak perlu buat yang besar-besar. Makan kerupuk. Percobaan kedua, Bapak Ibu, kita coba kasih makan kerupuk. Apa ikannya senang makan kerupuk? Wih, ternyata senang sama kayak yang punya ini. Ikannya senang makan kerupuk. Waduh, ternyata ketika kita kasih kerupuk, ikannya lebih galak. Iya, seru sekali Bapak Ibu. Silahkan Bapak Ibu buat di rumah. Buat versi kecil saja. Ternyata sangat seru berinteraksi dengan ikan. Wih, tangan saya ditarik terus. Iya. Ya, ini Bapak Ibu. Ikannya nakal-nakal. Ikannya nakal, lebih galak, lebih senang ketika dikasih kerupuk. Ikannya sangat senang dikasih kerupuk. Tuh. Dimakan terus, suara sedotannya.
Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrade
night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always make what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't stop, step it up, don't I'm so gone, no I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad. Cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad. I stay strong, you will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When